Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So right here in front of me I have a Japanese-made Bianchi, and I'm gonna give you a little tour. What are they, how they respect, a little more about them, and let's get into this video right now. By the way, if you found this useful, give me a like, consider subscribing, because I love doing videos on the bicycles over here, and I do really enjoy it. Now what I have in front of me, I'll let you see here, I do have a Japanese-made Bianchi, as you see here, and this one came out spec'd out fully with the Shimano 600. See over here, I'm talking about Shimano 600, right down there, or here actually you can see much better right here. There you go, very nice. At the same time, it also came down with the really nice Ambrosio wheel set. So this is the Ambrosio Elite. Hopefully you can see here. Very nice package. Now quickly I'm gonna kind of go into what I have done research and whatnot, and give you a little overview here. These were built in Japan. This one here specifically was built by Japanese Ishiwata company right there. See? Magni Ishiwata. Okay, very nice. Let's get this thing to focus. Now this, apart from this, they were built, like I said, for the Japanese built them for the Canadian and American markets. And here we go. I got this. I got lucky to purchase one of them. So the frame that I have here, look, is very nice quality. From what I've been doing the research, it was painted and then clear coated. That's why it's so durable, and at the same time it has a really nice paint job, as you can see here, nice and shiny. At the same time, this one pretty nicely preserved example, to be honest with you, right there. So like I said, a very light, high quality paint, light frame set, love it. Yeah, and as you can see here, since you're talking about paired up with a very nice seat post over here, so really nice package over here. Now so that's pretty much about the frame set. Japanese made, really nice. Now I'm gonna move on to the components, which is also very important part of the game. Now if you look over here, I've got the Shimano 600 right there. So the crank, the shifters, again, derailleurs, I should say, fairly low mileage on the bike. And here you go over here. Let's get this thing to focus. Shimano 600. Now at the same time, I'm gonna show you that all the calipers on this one are matching, which is very nice. The one at the back over here, see, very nice, all the same. Really nice example here. Now Shimano 600 all around, and with the shifters, same thing can be said with the brake levers right here, see. So I've got the Shimano 600 at the brake levers, along with this one over here, see. Very nice package. Now with these Japanese, see, they don't have Italian-made handlebar, but they have something called Sakai Custom Japan. See, it would probably, they had kind of Japanese company to kind of compete with the Italian Chinelli, and at the same time, if you read over here, it says Road Champion over here. Now, since this is all Japanese, guess what? I paired it up with a nice Chiara Strada that you see right there. See, really nice one. So Chiara Strada is really nice. You know, it just matches. I'm trying to work out this gimbal. It's pretty interesting and fun to use it. And so that's pretty much. So you do have the brake levers, you got the shifters, derailleurs, full package here is Shimano 600, which is, even they included these guys, you see, very, very nice, the pedals. So this is basically what's happening. Now these are pretty soft after here in North America. Some people may knock them off because they're not, they don't have that Italian tubing Columbus, and they don't have the Campi. Now, as you can see, the truth is, this is very light and the nibble bike, spec'd out with the decent components. Shimano 600 in today's world is Shimano Ultegra. So as you can see, this is really, really nice package over here that I was nicely paired up. Now, in order to get that vintage look, you see, I put some tires, some gunwales. So you see how it came out to give that, preserve that nice and 1980s look. Believe it or not, this thing was built in late 70s, so this is like 1980 model. So pretty impressive, you know, for what it is, and that's pretty much that. At the same time, I give it a nice new cables here, just to give it a refresh, and at the same time paired up with the internal cables. See over here, nice and new. All of them were replaced. Fairly, you can call it a cosmetic rebuild, or like call it restoration. And this is pretty much that. So I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.